What is up, guys? Today we are going to pick up a Nova that I have been trying to buy for 3 years now. I was able to buy the car a few days ago. I'll put some clips right here. So that was a few days ago. I went and put wheels and tires on it so we could roll it out. And that was a week ago. The ground finally froze, so we won't get stuck, hopefully. Got the winch, got the batteries loaded up, gotta get a chain, and we're gonna head over to Spencer and pick this car up. First things first, gotta get the chain off of the Chevy. So let's go ahead and grab this real quick and we'll head out. Well, we're already sinking in the yard. Our freeze plan didn't work out too well, but let's get this thing hooked up so we can get out of here. Go. Well, yep, the ground wasn't froze. Alright, made it back finally. That's the most stuck I've ever had this truck since I've owned it. But yeah, we're gonna unload this thing real quick. So we lost a lot of paint. We're down to the metal on the roof from it sitting so long. Got primer right here. It needs to be washed again, but it's not too bad though, I don't guess. It's rusty, but it is what it is, I guess. Looking like it's time to crawl into the passenger side and see if I can get the switch out, which we all failed to do last week. So yeah, let's see if I can get it out. I just got the switch to pull out finally. I'm about to stick a battery in here, but first I'm gonna cut the fuel in line just in case there's, well, not just in case, we know that there's rotten gas in the tank. So I'm gonna start off by cutting this guy off and get a battery, and just for fun, see if it'll kick off. Also have some plug wires off down here. Hopefully I got those right, but I'm gonna have somebody look at it before I do it. I was hitting this up here to get the switch out, and you're supposed to tap the hammer with the flathead in there to break that aluminum, and that hits the clip and that releases it. So I learned something today on the car, and yeah. So next we're gonna try and get it to fire up, and if it fires up, put all this back together and see what we get. Got our spark tester here, battery in it, right there. Let's pop this off and see if we got fire. Ready?
Yeah. There you go. Hit it off again there, Big Daddy.
Just went to Advance, picked up some fuel line, secure on our tank on the Nova. Also, today is my third day out here since I picked it up. So, since it ran on brake parts cleaner yesterday, which I know brake parts cleaner is not the best for it, but it's whatever. I'm going to cut this off right here and hook a line to it and set a little gas jug up here, and hopefully it'll move, or at least stay running. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this line off, put some of that on there, and Set a jug somewhere and see what we get.
Hold on, let me open the jug. Hold on. Go.
Pouring gas in it up, or he's pouring gas in it up there, but got a slight exhaust from you. Yeah. It'd be great if it starts pumping its own fuel, but he's on his mission. Well, after a trip to Advance, I got another fuel pump. This thread right here was actually too big, so I had to buy a new line, but we should be good now. All I gotta do is put this one back down there, and right after I cut the camera off earlier when it was running, the transmission dipstick blew out and blew freaking transmission fluid everywhere. So now I got a huge mess, but it'll be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back on. What do you know? The Nova's running on its own, 100%, almost. That's just gas that's filled, so hopefully it don't catch on fire. But it smells like America, I must say. Yeah, our switch won't cut the motor off either, so I'm just gonna yank the fuel line when I need to cut it off. So yeah, runs good. Oh yeah, I call this a semi-victory for today. Other than the transmission dipstick shooting out early and giving us rust prevention, but it won't hurt this car. But the windshield needs some attention now. So yeah, I think this is going to wrap up this episode. Next episode we're going to pull inside, fix the brakes, fix whatever else it needs, and who knows what else. So if you guys like part 1, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys next time.